That's definitely the best cheesecake ever. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Hi everyone, welcome back to Is It Done Yet with Jackie and Shelley.
And today we'll be making the best no-bake lime and ginger cheesecake ever.
It's super delicious and can be used for any occasion, so let's get started.
So for the recipe we will need a 397 gram tin of condensed milk, 85 grams of butter, 3 limes, 200 grams of ginger biscuits, a 200 gram tub of cream cheese and 150 grams of double cream.
Right, so you've got your ginger nuts in a bag, and now we're just going to crush them down until they become like breadcrumbs.
Yeah, I always do it that way. I use a rolling pin because I found before when I used a food processor that it actually breaks them down too small.
Yeah.
So when you add the melted butter,
Yeah.
it then makes it sets again sort of like a giant ginger snap. Okay, so we've melted the butter and now we're just going to mix it with the ginger biscuits that we've just crushed. There we go. So there we go, we're just going to mix this up until it's all combined. And if you have any bigger lumps of biscuits left in, just give them a tap. Make them a bit smaller. There you go. And now we're going to press that into the base. So there you go, now we've got the biscuit and the butter sorted to this consistency. We're going to put it inside of the lined tin. And you need a loose bottom tin for this, probably about, say, 7 to 8 inches. I'm just going to press that into the bottom. We have to press it down too firm because we don't want this to set solid. We want it quite crumbly still. So there we go. Once you've done that, we're going to pop that in the fridge while we make the filling.
Now in a separate bowl, we're going to whip the cream, the double cream, until we get stiff peaks. That's what you need.
Now we're going to add all the other ingredients together to make the filling. So first of all we'll pop in the cream cheese. Then we'll add the condensed milk. Look at that, Jack. Then we'll add our zest. Followed by the juice. So we'll give that a bit of a stir to blend it together a bit. Doesn't have to be totally blended. Now we'll add our whipped cream. You can blend that together. And then what I usually do after that is give it a quick stir with the mixer just to make sure it's all blended well.
No lumps.
No lumps left in it. Enough, and that's all ready to add to our base.
And we're just going to spoon this over the base and smooth it off with a spatula. this house.
Oh, that looks lovely and creamy.
Oh.
Okay, so now we're just going to pop this into the fridge for approximately 4 hours, but preferably overnight. But that's if you can wait that long. Okay, Jackie, moment of truth. Let's see how it tastes.
Try.
That is so creamy. The lamb's perfect with that ginger base.
That's definitely the best cheesecake ever. Delicious. Absolutely delicious.
So thanks for joining us on Is It Done Yet?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And if you do try this cheesecake at home, let us know in the comments below how it turned out. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Is It Done Yet with Jackie and Shelley.
And today we're going to be making a mouthful of
Hi everyone, welcome back to Is It Done Yet with me, Jackie and Shelley. No. Hi everyone, welcome back to Is It Done Yet with Jackie and Shelley.
And today we'll be making a no-bake lime and ginger cheesecake.
It's super delicious and can be used for any occasion.
So let's get another.
Could be on the bed.